There's a lot of reading on this next page, so I'm going to let you read through it, and I'm just going to highlight kind of the bigger points here. In this class, we use slope-intercept form when we go to write the equation of a line. We automatically go to this formula, y equals mx plus b. Or it could be y equals b plus mx. You can rearrange that a little bit. The m is the slope or rate of change, average rate of change. The x is part of the equation, that's your variable, and then b is the y-intercept, or in terms of a meaning in a word problem, it's the initial amount at time t equals 0. So at the very beginning, 4 minus 12x, that's fine too. Next, get the y by itself. It's hooked to the 2, or the negative 2, by multiplication. So I have to unhook by dividing each term by negative 2, and then simplifying. So a negative 12 divided by negative 2, positive 6x, and then a positive 4 divided by negative 2 gives me negative 2. To identify the slope, I now have this in y equals mx plus b form. The m, the number 6, is my slope. Not 6x, just the 6. The y-intercept is the number that's not next to the variable, so my y-intercept, or b, is negative 2. You may also see it written this way, and especially if you're using WebAssign, they may ask you what's the y-intercept, and then it'll say this, and it'll have parentheses, and they want you to fill in the point. So the point is x is 0, the initial amount, and your y-intercept, negative 2. Both ways are correct. If you're given, if you're not given a choice, you can pick whatever you want, but if you're given a choice, I guess you can pick whatever you want. But in this case, just watch on WebAssign, because they'll put the parentheses in with a comma, and then you have to fill in the x is 0 and the y-intercept is negative 2.